We're back at the driveway again, the longest driveway in the world. A few people are noticing how expensive this driveway is. The most expensive driveway in Australia, I reckon. But we're away again. All right. Let's see what's faster, hand tying or this machine. Oh, I think the machine. You got your Geordie, 3 in 1. Holy shit. Huh?
Give me one I'm tired.
No, it is.
I'm probably breaking a sweat. Come on, Jordan, pick up. Keep up.
And he's doing them nice and tight. Hey, that's good, it won't move. That's Troy's one, is it? Is that yours?
No, it's mine.
Is it yours? Oh, yeah. Yeah, Troy's got a couple of them. How many, Troy?
What's that?
You got a couple of these guns?
Yeah.
You don't pull them out no more?
No, well, no one wants to use them, they reckon.
I used to use it all the time.
They're embarrassed. Oh,
No way.
Oh, that's what we've been told. Mate, you don't use those. Concreters don't use those.
Bullshit. What do you reckon, guys? Would you use one if you had one? I reckon I would. I know they get tangled up a bit if you don't do it properly, eh?
This way, that pink tag.
You gotta make sure that hook's over it, eh?
yeah, that's what you gotta do.
That's the key, eh? I remember.
That's the key.
Yeah.
Is that?
Like doing 12mm bar and shit's not good.
Doesn't look too bad, eh?
Yeah, you get still 3 out of the bar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's a bit hard, like you get it wrong, fucking and pop off pretty easy, eh? It won't go bunches up and shit.
Make sure
Yeah.
that hook always is around, eh?
Yeah.
And sometimes it catches on like a dag. If it hits a dag of a wire,
Yeah, and it'll just fucking
it'll just
fell up.
yeah. Other than that.
Back to the... Awesome.
I'll normally tell you if
The battery does.
it's gonna catch, you know.
Oh yeah. Beautiful. All right. See what else we can do. Get ready. Action on. You start making pins up for the high pins, are you?
Yeah, just hooking.
All the weapons to do the driveway. All you need. 2 screeds, some rakes, full float broom, trowels, and the chopper. And Chris. Concrete. I won't film you. Stop fucking around, Chris. Oh mate. No, get this concrete out of there for him.
I know you don't know it.
Chris, how much? I know, how's rolling?
All right, we got our first truck in. Looking pretty good. The other truck got a flat tire. Troy got a flat tire this morning as well on the trailer, bringing the mesh in. So the boys have been rush all morning. Get it all ready. So maybe we should get it ready this afternoon. I'm not actually. The boys only do a little bit tomorrow. Looking good. Got Nathan there on the bull float. Nathan's back again. He's gonna hit the tree. Oh, yeah. He got it between the things. Alright, let's go. We nearly got the second truck in. We just got another key joint again like we did yesterday. Boys are magging the edges up. It's all been bull floated. And we're nearly halfway. Already. 2 trucks. Nah, not halfway. How many trucks you got today, Troy?
Sorry?
How many trucks coming today?
That's what we just rang about. I said around the 40, but we may go an extra one or whatever.
Oh, yeah.
Should I go and set that up?
The third truck is here. No flat tyres this time. And we got a bit in. Going pretty smooth so far. So we must have another 4 trucks to go after this one. So we've got 5 trucks to go. 2, 1 truck, another truck, another truck, another truck. Yep. So that's the plan. That was the 3rd truck, was it? Yeah. That's all. Look how far we went this time. Yeah, oh yeah. Alright, we're waiting for our 4th truck now.
Josh is here.
Josh is the man. Boys are still setting up more. We're just going to keep going. We're just going to set up and pour and get all ourselves way to Bundaberg. Make new roads, mate, for Lamborghinis only.
Yeah, we'll just keep doing the main
Yeah.
road.
This job's sponsored by Lamborghini, Ferrari, Telstra,
Probably
Tesla, I mean.
Definitely, probably do it quicker than main road. That's for
Yeah.
sure. The amount of people that were there on that side of the road.
Oh, I know.
It's ridiculous. And what were we doing? Watching a bobcat flam and trim down some shrubs.
I was pissed off I let all the cars go before us.
Yeah.
And then we had to watch them go, then we had to go, like, fuck,
Yeah, I don't
come
know
on.
why they usually
Yeah,
let
they could
the
easily
side
merge
street
us.
go.
They could merge us in at the one time.
Yeah.
You know, there's not many of us.
Right. We've edged all the way along. It's a bit wet in some spots. It's drying up there pretty good. Might get the helicopter up there in a minute. Just waiting for the next truck again. That must have been 4 now, 5. I'm confused already again. But, yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there slowly. Right, 10:15. Chris has already hit it once. He's about to hit it twice. Done all the edges. Around, looks good. And the next truck's here. That's it on. There's a little ridge in the center. So it goes like that. Like that. The water can run off this way and that way. That's why we're not screeding right across the whole thing either. Alright, I'll be going helping. We've got a last truck coming. Josh is here. This part's going to be helicoptered in a minute and broomed. She's done then. We haven't even broken in up there yet. Look how nice it looks up there. Beautiful. Beautiful, mate. Alright, we finally got it all in. Oh, this bit anyway, for today. All the way down there. Chris has broomed this bit off already. Finished it up. Looking good, Chris.
Looking good, Shazza.
Bobcat driver Chris.
I drive Bobcat.
Did you see that part? Looking good. We'll try to get a bit of helicopter action and a bit of trowel action, a bit of broom action, and we'll finish her up. Beautiful broom finish. Fuck you, fuck you. Okay, it's 12:27. And I've got a good half of a broom now. It's all been broken. Nearly. Got that last little bit down there to break. Our edges are going good. It's all happening. Boys are stripping, they're not setting up anymore today. That's it for today. We're going to set it up tomorrow and I'll be back here on Thursday and Friday pouring their concrete. But it looks pretty fucking good. I love this little alleyway. Looks really, I don't know what it looks like. What does it look like? Something out of a movie? A country movie or something? Going back to Texas? I don't know. Jordan's starting to strip already. My oldest son Geordie. He's a good worker. Both my sons are good workers. They just don't like concreting. Poor buggers. Sitting here waiting for concrete to dry. Boys are stripping. Guitar is setting up something behind me. Looks like a long way from here. I don't know. Alright, we're finished up to the helicopter now. I'll put you on the wheelbarrow here and see if we can get this last little bit on footage. So we have something more. Look at that. Beautiful.
Where's that little big clip I got? Of our screen.
Hit that again, have to wait again. Still not dry enough. We got a little bit more to go. But it's all good. Should I finish this video or not? We'll just do this last little bit. We'll get this last little bit for you. It's all done finally. It's all been chopped. Chris is brooming it. See the sun's on this video, so it's going a bit drier. So he's blending it in beautifully. Can't really see. Yeah. Oh well. It's pretty good, buck. Beautiful driveway. Buy this one at Myers. Ow. So many little witchetty grubs hanging off these trees. Make you itchy.
Actually, no, say all these little leaves have little like thorns on the end of the mate.
Yeah. Oh, itchy bites. Alright, we'll just get this helicopter off here.
Tree!
Alright, last broom.
Really good. Plenty of access on this job.
Tree bound. Alright, we got the helicopter off. We're going to clean the blades. See how dirty the blades are. Clean all them off. And we're done. Alright guys, we're finished. The job is done for the day. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed the last video of us doing the job yesterday. This one's not as long as yesterday's video, but still pretty good. And we're going to do the next bit very soon. Make sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment if you can. And I'll see you all probably tomorrow for Simon's job. Say goodbye. See you, Geordie. See you, Utah.
That shit. You're waiting there that long for that. Yeah, because it's the worst order. You didn't even flip it.
Good. See you, Chris. See you, Mitchie. All right. See you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.